Your mother is rude. I know you know that. I seen her throwing you around. Hey, excuse me, excuse me. Morning, folks. Well, the old Weather Channel is saying 5 to 8 inches of snow tomorrow, rain tonight, rain tomorrow. So it's crunch time to get cattle moved around and get all situated. This old girl here had twins yesterday. Pretty good sized calves for a set of twins. She took care of both of them. Had both of them up and sucking. Dad had to pull them while I was gone in town, so he got the fun job of pulling them. Well, he had to pull one. I think she had the other on her own, actually. So we're gonna get everything situated, moved around behind protection. So first things first, we're gonna tag up everything so we can get all the pairs and put them all in one spot and good protection. Got our tags made up here. We'll go get these tagged up and out of here. You got the speed here. Hey. Come here, buddy. Heifer. Nice little heifer calf. He's all right. You're next, Junior. You're next, Junior. Another heifer. Here, anyway. Hey, excuse me, excuse me. It's not your calf either, honey. These are a couple nice heifers there. Whew. Fancy. I'll write them down to keep them for replacements. Good bags, they had them on their own, and nice looking calves. All right, take them out, girls. Moving you guys up to the old shelter belt here. Here. Come on, girls. Well, we got one smart one. Dad's over there, just processed some hay off. This old girl got back on me. The old goat, get your butt out of here. Take you to your calf. We brought all the cows home so we don't have near the space we did, you know, to move the heifers wherever we want them. Got to get cows behind the trees and everything. They started calving. Got about 10 of them on the ground. So, just got to move everything around and get them tucked in. 50-mile-an-hour winds on top of it. It's going to be kind of rough. Quite a few calves last night. Second calf heifer here. What do you got? Taking a nap? A bull. This spray just kind of cleans up that navel. Helps them from getting sickness through their navel. Their umbilical cord there. He's all right, honey. You're all right. Another bull calf. Everybody. Hi, Mama. Another bull calf. One more right here. He's all right. Another bull calf. He's all right. Got 3 pair here in the corner. We're gonna try to get them to that corner. I promise when that 5 to 8 inches of snow's coming, you're gonna thank me for getting you back in behind these trees. Hey, buddy, what do you think? What do you think? Wait up, guys. Got little legs back here. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Well, that's 2 less pair I gotta get in here. Come on, you old goat. Take him down there. He'll follow you. This is the newest little dude. Little heifer. Just a little heifer girl. Well, we got one heifer that's kind of screwed up. Running around looking for a calf. He's over by the fence, but she can't seem to figure it out. So gonna bring him down into a little pen and put her in there, kind of separated from the bunch so she can figure out what the deal is. Kicking these girls down into that. That's where they're staying for the old storm. Here, honey. I'll carry you. How about that? What are you looking at, Red? There you go. There you go. Got one just started in right there laying down. So we're gonna get out of here and give her a little room so she don't get all wound up. Also, if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Try and hit 1,000 subscribers in the next year. It would really help me out. I'd appreciate it. Well, it looks like that one had. I'm gonna go make sure it's all good to go. Sack on it, ain't on his head or nothing. Gotta get this girl in right here. Right there. She can't seem to find her calf. Just gotta get these 3 girls out of the way and I'll bring that other one in and get it sorted out. Okay, girls, take them out of here. Just gotta wait a little bit here. Dad go through and feed the bulls so I can get old girly in there. She's literally right there. She can't figure it out. That's him. Yeah, she don't. She's all worked up. Who needs a cutting horse? You know, you just run them in. No, 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 no. Here we go there. Come on, sister, you in there. Not you, I don't need you. There. I'll go grab her calf. Stick him in that pen with her. That's one good thing about calving season. He's in pretty good shape. I guess I could just grab a horse. That would make sense. Maybe I should just settle. Oh, it's a big stretch. Come here, little girly. I forgot to put the brand on your tag. That's all right. Thank you, dear mother. I don't charge a fee. As long as they don't crap on the seat or pee down my leg, I don't charge a fee. The old Uber's here. Here, honey, this is what you've been looking for. Oh, why couldn't you just done that on your own? There's old mama cat, the only cat on the place that'll go catch a mouse, don't you? Right now we're hopping in a loader tractor, gonna take some bunks and line them up where we're gonna move some cows in a calving pen. This is the old calving pen here that we're moving about 155 head into, so they got good protection here. And then we actually got our hay piles over here, so we pile them double high there, so then they have protection from coming from the northeast there too. So it's a pretty nice little spot to calve with these cedars. We all got the line of bunks laid in here. Gonna hop back on, check the heifer, see what's going on there, and if nothing's going on, probably fix some fence where we're gonna move some other cows from across the road. Oh, guard dogs. Yeah, I heard you guys barking at the coyotes all night long. About kept me up. Fruitcake. We're gonna hop in and check these heifers out, see if we can't get them moved around where we need them to. Try to pair off if we need. What do you think, Blue? There's the bronc. He's wild. Come on, put a wiggle on it. Gotta take this girl's calf. She's in here because she wasn't claiming. I'm gonna kick her out with the rest of them. Might need a shot of new floor. Yeah, I'm gonna give that dude a shot of new floor here before I kick him clear out. Here, buddy. Well, we got the ones that haven't calved yet moved. We kept the pairs in here. We're gonna bring the rest of the pairs in here, then move them on in. So we'll move all these pairs in, get them behind the trees, and then we're gonna bring the big bunch of cows into here. It's kind of a tight fit, but it'll just be for a couple nights. Come on, Junior. Come on, Juniors. Come on, Juniors. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Shoved into the next pen, let them mother up there before we kick them into the next pen we gotta run them into so they're in some protection. We come over here and tag on the calves. That cows that we brought home have had so far. We got an old girl hiding here. Where's your calf? I think she's actually just getting started. Yeah, she got her tail kinked a bit. All right, 39, number 39. Slow down, Junior, slow down. Let me catch you, you little turkey. Oh, there he goes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Perfect. That's a nice heifer calf. Write her down. And I'll write down to keep her for a replacement. Cow's got a nice bag. We've actually kept the bull out of her. I like that. I like that cow. For those of you who don't know what a replacement heifer is, that's a heifer you keep that you're going to someday breed and turn into a first calf heifer and a cow. So that's the ones you're going to, you know, make into part of your cow herd. The part that stinks is these pairs are across the creek, and we got to get them across and into another set of trees so they have protection from this storm. And it takes a long time to move these new calves pretty good distance. So. Old 376 over here across the old mud hole. Well, you kind of got the eye too. Yeah, you kind of got that eye. Here. Don't make me get the stick out here. Get out. He's fine. Get back. Get back. Oh. Not a nice bull calf like that with a cow. It's got a really nice bag like she does. I'm gonna write him down to possibly keep him for a bull if he turns out when it comes to branding time. Looks like this is the last one we gotta tag here. Nice old girl, or gonna be on my case. A heifer. See, why can't they all be like you? Just kind of check things out. Got a little fence to tack up and stretch here. This is where we'll put the cows for the next couple days. It's gonna get pretty sloppy in here, but that's all right. As long as they got protection, it'll be all right. Stretch her up a bit down there and call her good. Well, we're getting the old cows moved. Run them across the creek already. Moving them across the road and into behind the protection, and gonna bed them down for the night. Get ready for the blizzard tomorrow. Move it or lose it, girls. And there's old Smurf the Hereford. He made it down here. I'll sort him off some other time, not tonight though. Well, get him over there to the old cedar grove. Yeah, they'll have plenty of protection for this storm. How come you're always laying down on the job, Juno? Got to take care of these two little twins. Decide which one, but keep her on, get her kicked out of the barn. And now there's a heifer back here, just had one, and she's throwing him around, all worked up. not letting him suck. So looks like she's got him pinned in between two bunks at the moment. So better get him some colostrum at least. Maybe pin her up next to him so she'll kind of calm down and go from there. This girl right here. Easy, sister. Hey, buddy. Good spot for you to be under there. 5:23. I'm here for now. So when I bring her in, she can sniff him, but she can't. Oops, sorry, buddy. She can sniff him, but she can't beat on him. Hey, hey. She wants him. She just don't know. It's her first time. She don't know what she's doing. Come on, honey. Your mother is rude. I know you know that. I seen her throwing you around. We'll get her calmed down, huh?